Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all for clicking on today's video. So, as you have seen, we are going to be talking about something very important. Today, we are talking about one of the simplest and most refreshing foods that you can eat, and that is cucumber. Cucumber is one of those fruit, so people call it fruit, some people call it vegetable, that you can get virtually everywhere. It is very affordable, always within your reach. So we are talking about it today. So maybe something that you don't know that you are benefiting from cucumber when you eat them. I'm going to let you into 5 of those things that cucumber help you to take care of. In case if you do not know, or you eat cucumber because people eat it, or you eat it not knowing exactly what you benefit, you're going to be getting those information, those tips from this video. So in today's video, we're going to be dissecting why cucumbers are so healthy, 5 health problems that cucumber will help you to solve, or situations that it will help you to get rid of. And we're also going to be talking about how to eat cucumber daily. And also, we are talking about, should you eat it every day? Because some people can ask that question on the comment section. Do I need to eat cucumber every day? The answer is coming up in this video. We're also going to be talking about, when will you see benefits when you eat cucumber most often, and those healthy habits that you can use to combine with cucumber and you get utmost health. So in this video today, you're going to get all the tips and all the information that I just mentioned. So keep tight, stay tight, keep watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with other people so that they can get used to eating cucumber and they will get to know about this video. So where can we get cucumber? Of course, in the market, or you plant it in your house. Is very, very affordable. Cucumbers are very cheap, easy to find, and easy to add to your meals. But many people do not realize how powerful they can be for your health. Like I said, you might be eating it without knowing that you're eating the one of the most healthiest food in the planet. And what if eating just one cucumber a day could help improve a lot of things in your diet? Could help to improve a lot of things in your system. So in today's video, we will talk about 5 common health benefits that may improve when you eat cucumber daily, how to include it to your diet, the right way. So let's go on into those tips, into those points that I just mentioned. Why are cucumbers so healthy? Why are cucumbers so healthy? In case if you meet somebody and somebody asks you that question, you will tell the person that cucumbers are made of about 95% of water. As we all know, water is healthy. And when a fruit or a vegetable that is packed with 95% of water, this makes this particular vegetable to be very, very hydrating. And apart from being hydrating, it is rich in fiber, it is rich in vitamin K, it is rich in potassium, and it's also rich in antioxidants. So these are the things that make cucumber to be very healthy. And I have used cucumber in many of my recipes, especially for juices. I add them a lot because they are like you're adding water to your drink. And this particular water is a natural water packed with other kinds of nutrients. So cucumber is something that you have to have within your reach. And they are very low in calories. If you're counting calories, you don't want to take too much calories, add cucumbers to your meal. And they are very, very refreshing. They are very, very refreshing because it's packed with lots of water in them. Now, let's talk about those 5 health problems that cucumber can help you to improve. Number 1, dehydration. Are you always dehydrated? You forget to eat to drink your water. You don't like drinking plain water. I'm not replacing plain water with cucumber, but you can always snack on cucumber, and you are also meeting up with your water intake. Many people do not drink enough water during the day. That is very true, because some people will give you the reason, I forgot, or it doesn't taste good, you know, all those kind of things. You can also use cucumber to put into your water so that it will have a taste for you to drink it. Dehydration, my sisters and brothers, can cause you headaches without you knowing that the headache you're having is because you're dehydrated. A lot of us experience dehydration without knowing that it's because our body is craving for more water. And also, dehydration causes fatigue. Dehydration also make your skin to be dry and be flaky. If your skin of your body is hydrated, you will not have flaky skin, you will not have dry skin. It's always moisturized within, from inside out. And this cucumber also helps you with constipation, because dehydration, of course, causes constipation, because you're not taking a lot of liquid or a lot of water. So definitely you're constipated. And when you're constipated, it's not a health, it's a sickness. I will call it a sickness. Constipation is a sickness, because when you eat and you cannot remove, you have a very big problem, because they say that life starts in the gut. If your gut is not clean, if you're not removing what is supposed to go out, you are not healthy. So dehydration causes constipation. So cucumber is one of those vegetables that you can add to your diet, because it's mostly water. It's rich in water. 95% of it is water. Eating one daily can help increase your hydration level. Eating one cucumber daily. This is cucumber. It's just different species of cucumber. Anyone you have within your reach is very okay. I mostly snack on this. Then I normally use this type for my juices or for my smoothies. You can never look for cucumber in my house. It's always available. And when your body is properly hydrated, what do you benefit from? You having a hydrated body, your energy improves, your skin looks healthier, your digestion will work better. You'll be able to digest your food properly because you have water in your system. And that is what cucumber can also do for you. Remember, it is high in fiber also. So fiber helps the digestion to do its work properly. Cucumbers are not a replacement. I say it again. Cucumbers are not replacement for water, but they are a very great support that can support you with your water level. And why we are talking about cucumber being something that will support you with your water is because it's high in water. And number two, the second problem that cucumber can help you to take care of is constipation and poor digestion. Like I said, if you're constipated, it's a sickness, it's a problem, it's a huge problem. If you cannot do number two, it's a very big problem. And eating cucumber will help you because it contains fiber, especially in the skin. Especially in the skin. I will encourage you, if you want to buy cucumber that you're going to eat, please, if you can lay your hands on organic, that will do good. But if you can, cucumber, anyone you have is very okay. Anyone you have is very okay. And what the fiber in cucumber can help you to achieve is that it improves your bowel movement. It prevents constipation. If you're always constipated, snack on cucumber. Just always snack on cucumber. You can eat cucumber with maybe groundnut, peanut, cashew nut, whatever you like eating it to, for it to have taste. I know some people say they can't eat cucumber as it is. I can finish this, just to give me 1 or 2 minutes, it's gone. So that is what you benefit from. And it also supports your gut health. Like I said, gut health is very important. If you're not doing it, you are not feeling good. When you eat cucumber regularly, your digestive system help to work more smoothly. It helps your digestive system to work more smoothly. The water in cucumbers are softened stool. They also softens the stool. When it softens the stool, and you're able to, you know, go to toilet at ease, and this makes digestion easier. For best result, eat cucumber with the skin after washing it very well, because the skin has lots of fiber in it, which will help for you to have those easy bowel movement. Don't peel your cucumber. If you're constipated, you want a softer stool, don't peel your cucumbers. Eat them with the skin. And moreover, the skin also is rich in nutrients. And number three sickness, or the number two issues that cucumber can help to improve, is high blood pressure. Are you hypertensive? You have hypertension? Cucumber should be one of your best snacks. Cucumbers contain potassium, which is very important for heart health. Potassium helps to bring down the blood pressure. Potassium helps to bring down the blood pressure. So you need cucumber in your diet if you want to help your numbers to be stable and feel better. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in your blood. Too much sodium can rise blood pressure. So cucumber helps to bring down your blood pressure. Eating cucumber rich foods like eating potassium rich food, sorry, eating potassium rich food like cucumber help support normal blood pressure. Please add this to your diet if you're hypertensive. High blood pressure reduces the risk of heart disease, and healthy high blood pressure reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, as your doctor must have told you, if you're hypertensive, that your work is to make sure that your numbers are on the normal level. If not, it's going to lead to another sickness, from that to another sickness. So, cucumber is one of those food that are high in potassium that will help to normalize the blood pressure. Remember, cucumbers support heart health, but they are not replacement of medical treatment. They are not replacement of medical treatment. While you are taking your medication, be eating food that can help your doctor or make your doctor to reduce your doses. That's why we add this with medication, so that your medication can be going lower while you are eating healthy. Because you don't have to stop your medication because you're eating all this kind of food. So as you eat, it will reflect on your result, your test result and everything. Then the doctor can reduce your medication. And if you do this for a long time, you might see yourself stopping the medication entirely. So don't replace cucumber with your medication. Always be eating your cucumber and also be taking your medication until the issue improves. Then you are good to go without medication. So the next kind of issue that cucumber can also help or support is inflammation and joint discomfort. Inflammation and joint discomfort. Cucumbers contain antioxidants that help fight inflammations. Inflammation in the body can lead to joint pain, swelling, chronic health problems. By adding cucumber to your diet, to your daily diet, you may help reduce mild inflammation over time. What I've been saying on my videos are that whatever you're eating that is healthy for you, you have to try to make it to be consistent so as to achieve a better result. Some people also enjoy cucumber juice for its refreshing and soothing effect. Like I said, my best way of enjoying cucumber is by making juices with it, or I snack it. So these two particular ways I use work so well for me. I feel refreshed whenever I drink juice made with cucumber, that cucumber is included. So it's a refreshing kind of drink and it suits your stomach. I have never heard of somebody that drank cucumber juice and feel irritated or feel different or purge because of it. It's always soothing for your body. So the next kind of sickness or issue or health issue problems that cucumber can help you to achieve is skin problem, skin issues. You're having rashes, having large pimples, or you can reduce that by eating cucumber on daily basis. Hydration and antioxidants are important for healthy skin. If your skin is always hydrated, you are on your way of achieving a better skin. Eating cucumber daily is one thing that you can add to your diet from today if you want to upgrade and achieve a better skin. And this eating of cucumber has something that it helps in your body. It improves skin hydration, it reduces dryness, and it also supports natural glow. The glow that comes from what you have eaten, not actually the glow that comes from what you put on top of your skin, but what you eat that shows from inside. So that is that natural glow that cucumber helps, because it hydrates your skin, reduces those dryness, because if your skin is dry, definitely it doesn't glow. But if you have moisturized skin from inside, and then when you put the one you put on top of your skin, the two of them will work together and give you that glow. So cucumber contains vitamin C and silica, which support collagen production. It supports collagen production, and collagen keeps skin firm, healthy as we age. Like I said from my video yesterday, if you have not watched, we have been doing live streaming for all through this week. We have been dropping videos every day. Please help us to watch those videos. You're going to benefit a lot from all of them. They are rich in tips and information that will help your health. So, while cucumbers won't erase wrinkles, they may support overall skin health from the inside. And why I say it won't erase it is when you do it just for a matter of 1 week and you want it to erase something that has been there for years. And remember, while we are aging, we wrinkle. But if you eat healthy, it's not going to show as somebody that is not eating as you're eating. So that is why we encourage to be adding all this kind of food to your diet. Not actually that we are not going to age, but we are going to age slowly, not being like older than your age. That's what we're talking about. So I have this bonus point or bonus benefit for us, and that is weight management. If you want to lose weight, cucumber is here for you. Cucumber is very low in calories. It's very low in calories. So if you're counting your calories, then if you want to reduce calories, make cucumber to be one of your most needed vegetable or snack that you're going to be snacking on regular basis. If you're trying to manage your weight, cucumbers can help you feel fuller without adding many calories. And as it is, you can eat as much as you want. It's very low in calories. And when you eat as much as you can, you don't pack much calories into your system, but you pack lots of health benefits. You pack lots of goodies into your system, and it's gonna keep you fuller for a longer time so that you don't eat those food that will make your result not to be shown as fast as possible. So replacing high calorie snacks with cucumber slices can support weight control. You're trying to lose weight. You want to lose 1 or 2, even if it's just 1 or 2 kilos, you will feel different. You will feel much better. You don't start and you want to achieve a lot. Please go eat slowly. Don't go into it so fast, because when you go into it so fast, you might be too fast also to come out, because you might not get exactly what you're looking for. So gradually be adding all this food that we talk on this channel into your diet, and you're going to benefit a lot from them. So the next tip, or the next point we're going to talk about, is how to eat cucumber daily. How do you eat cucumber daily? Here are simple ways to include cucumber in your diet. Add slices to your salad. When you're making salad, you can use, even if it's half of this, you slice them and add to your salad. If you're not good at eating it alone, like as it is, then you can add them to your salad. You won't know when you're eating it. You won't know when you're crunching on it, because you will enjoy it with other things that you have in your salad. Another way you can also eat it is that eating it raw with a pinch of salt. Some people don't eat it with pinch of salt, but if you're hypertensive, I don't think you will need any salt to add to this, because you're not supposed to be eating raw salt. So I will encourage you, if you want to snack on this, maybe use peanut butter. That will also do, or any kind of nut butter. Combined to this, you will enjoy it. Or even use hummus. Hummus can also help you to enjoy this snack. It's a healthy snack, and when you combine it with like plant-based protein, you are good to do. You are good to go. And the next the next way you can also add this is by blending it into a smoothie. I'm a smoothie lover, and I know I have some of you who like drinking smoothies. So add them to your smoothies. You will enjoy it. You can also add them in your sandwiches. When you're making your sandwich, you slice them and place them on your bread, your sandwich, and you enjoy it. You can also mix it in your yogurt. If you add it and add some fruit in your yogurt, you're crunching on it, you won't know that you're eating cucumber, because if you don't like the taste of other fruits will help you to enjoy it. Yeah. And you can also make you can also make a cucumber infused water. You can infuse cucumber into your water and you are good to go. You can add cucumber and add few of your favorite fruit, maybe one of your favorite fruits with a cucumber, and you are drinking cucumber infused water. So those are the ways that you can enjoy this wonderful fruit or wonderful vegetable. They say when anything has seed, it is fruit, and when it doesn't have seed, it's vegetable. So this has seed. Some people call it fruit, some people call it vegetable. But what matters is that we're talking about cucumber. So try to eat fresh cucumber rather than, I won't say rather than the pickled version, because a lot of people like it. So, but for me, I like eating my cucumber very fresh. So the next thing we're also going to be talking about here is, should you eat it every day? Is this something that is good for you to eat on daily basis? For most people, eating one cucumber daily is very safe. Like me, I almost snack on it on daily basis. I almost snack on it on daily basis. So it is very safe for you to eat it daily. It doesn't have any side effect, especially if you eat it, if you wash it very well before you eat it. At least you are eating good food. And how much cucumber must, you know, how much? I don't know. One of these is okay for me, and I believe one cucumber is okay for you. You can eat more if you want. It doesn't have overdose. After all, it's very low in calories. It's very low in calories. But you have to know your body before you eat too much of it. You can start by just eating as much as this. It's not much. You can start with this quantity and you test yourself and test your body and know how your body accepts it, if it's much or if it is less. Because I say that because too much of cucumber also can cause bloating in sensitive people, not to everybody. If you're a sensitive person, it can cause you bloating. And also cucumber can also make you to urinate frequently. Why? Because it's high in water. So if you want to detox and cleanse your system, cucumber is for you, is good for you. I've just given this point so that you will be aware of it in case if you experience such thing. It is not going to be a very serious issue, but bear it in mind that these kind of things can happen. And it can also give you mild stomach discomfort, especially if your body is not used to eating such food. But believe me, if you eat it and eat it and eat it, you will be good. Your body will get used to it because it's a healthy food. It doesn't have any bad thing in it. So moderation is the key. Moderation is the key. If you have kidney problems or specific medical condition, speak to your health care before you eat this, especially if you have kidney issues and you're supposed to be monitoring your potassium, because cucumber is very high in potassium. That is why I said that. But apart from that, everyone is good to eat it, especially if you're diabetic and you don't have kidney issues. It is a very friendly kidney food. I mean, diabetic food. So it is good for you to eat if you're diabetic. So the next thing I want to also talk about here is, what will you see? Sorry, when will you see your benefits? When will you experience the good part of eating this cucumber daily? You would benefit it because hydration and digestion improves within few days. Within few days, give it 2-3 days. As you start to eat it regularly, you will start seeing the effect immediately, because you're going to stay hydrated. Your system will start working better and digest your food faster and good. And other benefits can also be like improved skin, blood pressure support. So all those things are the things that we're going to experience, but it has to be a consistent thing for you to experience this particular kind of benefit, because you don't expect it to be like a fast result. But if you keep it regular, like keeping it on a regular for about 1 week, you will start to see your blood pressure will improve, your skin will improve. And if you continue it for a month, 2 months, eating them on a regular, you will notice a lot of changes in your system. Consistency is the key. That is what I will tell you. Consistency is the key. And another thing I want to also say here is that cucumber works best as part of a balanced diet. You cannot eat regular junk food and expect cucumber to clean it or wipe them out within few days that you will start eating it. Give it time. And while you're eating it, please, you have to change your diet. You have to improve, remove some things and add some better things. And when you do so and see result, nobody will tell you to continue with what you're doing, because definitely improved body will make you know that the food that you changing or you changed definitely has positive effect on your system. Another thing I want to also chip in here is the healthy habits that you have to do or you have to combine while you're eating this cucumber on daily basis. You have to drink enough water. You have to eat more vegetables with it. You have to reduce processed foods. You have to stay physically active, and you have to get enough sleep. And it will help you sleep because it's also high in magnesium. So cucumber is a very healthy meal, a healthy food on its own. It's a very healthy food on its own. So when you combine it with other healthy food, it's going to be a miraculous cure for you. It's going to be a miraculous cure for your body. It's going to be a miraculous cure for your system. So start daily, at least with little habits added to it. Then you will notice a lot of changes. Drinking a lot of water, eating other vegetables with it, reducing your processed food, staying physically active, move your body. It really helps. And also getting enough sleep, about 7 to 8 hours every day, will help this eating of cucumber to result in a better body, better health. So I'm going to also say few of the food to avoid with cucumber. Try not to combine cucumber with very salty processed food. Don't combine cucumber with very salty processed food. Don't combine cucumber with heavy fried meals, because the cucumber is not going to do miracle for you. Because the food you're eating, you're combining it with, is not the one that we make cucumber added together will give you a better result. And don't also combine cucumber with too much sugary dressing. It doesn't work as well. Keep it simple and fresh. Keep it simple and fresh. So, with all these things having been said, I thank you so much for joining today. So, if you have joined us just at the closing of this video, I would like to go say exactly the 5 health issues that cucumber can help you to achieve. Number 1, we said better hydration, improved digestion, support of healthy blood pressure, reduce mild inflammation, and also give you healthier looking skin. So cucumbers are simple, affordable, easy to include in your meals. They may not solve every health problems, but they can support your overall health. They can support your overall wellness. They can support your system to function more properly and more efficiently. So healthy living is about consistency, not perfection. Nobody is perfect in whatever he or she is doing for him or her to be healthy. What we are doing is to be consistent and try our best to help our body function more better. So my lovely friends, thank you so much. If you have watched up to this moment, I appreciate you all. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, share with other people so that they can get to see this video and benefit a lot, and know that cucumber can also help them to achieve or take care of some health issues. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you all for watching up to this moment. Till I see you tomorrow in the next video. A video is coming up tomorrow. Yes, we are also doing live streaming tomorrow by the same time. So at the same time, I'm going to see you tomorrow. Stay blessed and stay healthy. Take care of your health. Take care of your body. Bye-bye for now.